What's up, everyone? I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. We're at Cali Track Days. And I looked up on YouTube and I didn't see one video of an F-250 Super Duty on a track. Now, I'm not talking about down a drag track. I'm not talking a track like a drag strip. I'm talking about corners. So let's take the Super Beast out on track for a couple laps and see how it handles and see if I don't roll this thing. But it should be a great video, so let's get inside this thing and just have a blast. All right, everyone, so we're in the Super Beast and I'm gonna buckle up just because I'm a little scared. But we just closed out the track. We had a great day, but we're about to have some fun in the Super Beast. So we've got a couple GoPros. We've got one in the cockpit. We've got one out on what we call the gas hole. So I'm about just to go have some fun real quick. So this should be fun. This should be fun. So we're just sneaking out at the end of the day and should be good. We've got a GoPro out on the straight, so this should be a flippin' blast. So we are going to get ready. So we got to do our proper start, and we got to roll pole. So we're off to a good start. We're heading down the track. So we're now I'm not expecting much out of this thing, but how many times do you get to see an F-250 Super Duty out on a proper racetrack? This is gonna be a blast. So it doesn't handle great, I'll tell you guys that much. So I'm up on the candy canes into our first corner, and let's shift down to third. We're about 40 miles an hour right now, and roll some coal out of that corner, baby. So we're heading up to Phil Hill. So how many times do you get to see this? Rolling coal all over the track. This is the highlight of my day. Actually, so if you guys haven't seen, I rode a Ducati V4R today, and I'm having more fun in the Super Beast. This is like, you guys, I can't even begin to tell you guys how fun this is. Camera up a little bit. Oh, the camera keeps coming disconnected. All right. So clearly we're not doing fast laps, but this thing, like, it's crazy how much power this thing can lay down. Come on, buddy. All right, so we're only gonna get 2 laps out of this. But I think this is absolutely hilarious and I'm having so much fun. So thanks guys for sticking around. You know, it's videos like this. I love to make videos like this. So let's see if we can just roll coal all the way down the strip. stuff to do for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am, because how many times have you seen an F-250 Super Duty? We have a PPI tune and we're on a full delete, and this thing is, I gotta turn up the air conditioner because I'm like dying. It's like 100 degrees out right now. But we got a PPI tune, full delete. Just absolutely just a blast. I know you guys probably think this is ridiculous. If you guys are still sticking around, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, guys. But this is, I love stuff like this, man. Like, how many opportunities do you get to do a track day like this? So I'm just having a blast, guys. Sorry the camera's gone all crazy, but hopefully we can use some footage on the inside here. It's just a blast. And I'm just trying to roll as much coal as possible. It's kind of hard on the track because obviously, this is just a blast. So we're heading to LA after this. We had a very, very amazing day here at Buttowillow Raceway. And, you know, I can't thank everybody, my staff, everybody. I absolutely love everybody that has any organization or anything to do with Cali Track Days. So we're gonna run it down the straight and then cut it up, and we're gonna turn around, make a U-turn. So last down the straight, our last ditch effort to roll as much coal as we can over these guys. I love it. It was such a blast. So let's love it, man. Had to get that turbo whistle at the end, but one last coal. But thank you guys. I know it was a short video, but I had an absolute blast filming this. Thank you guys again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and of course, comment down below if there's any crazy videos you want me to do that I can do out on your track. Man, let me know. But the Super Beast, we got some stuff coming with the Super Beast, and don't forget, we've got the BRZ, and the BRZ is about to get some builds. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next video. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and comment down below. Till next video, we'll see you then.